Hi, welcome home. You ready to make a cactus with me? So I have some pieces out here from a project that I was just doing, and I have some fast cure resin from Let's Resin happening here that is about to actually be seized up. And so I wanted to quickly see if I can make this little, it's a cactus pot. And I don't know, I might attempt to put some lights in here if I can. I'm not entirely sure. And then I have this moss that I was using my other project that is just a craft moss, and it's a very strange kind of craft moss that seems to be just all one piece. So I'm cutting it and then putting in with some Ranger alcohol ink in Everglades. So we'll see how this is gonna look. Just a quick little project to add, so I don't waste this UV resin. I mean, it's not UV, sorry. This fast cure. And do I put, I don't know, do I put lights in it? If this comes through, this is the top, so I think the light will end up coming through the bottom, which I think we can make work. So I'm gonna, maybe if I could get this light out. I got, these lights came in, oh, here, I don't have to open it. I have another light right here. Let's make sure, take this little doohickey out, and it's working. Oh, those are colored lights. I suppose that's okay, even for a cactus. I mean, I don't know. Oh. Sometimes it's kind of tough to get those lights worked out. Okay, but I do want to still keep them in this little ball, kind of, but I'm going to put this moss in there and have it kind of hold it together. Might be too much. La 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 la. That's funny. It's like trying to stuff a pepper. Okay, there's definitely too much moss happening right here. It's definitely getting hot on me. Let me just see if I can take half of this mess off. Look how messy it's getting. How fun. Haha. Yes, I know I can trigger people with OCD, and I have no problems if you want to come clean my house, clean my craft room, because I'm driving you nuts with the mess. It's not, it's just I have so many ideas. I like to keep things within arm's reach. Okay, that seems pretty good there. I don't know if I want to add some of this moss around the inside of the cactus. I mean, it would make sense, right? If I can. It's fun. That's weird. It's a weird, squishy, spongy, wet, warm feeling. Come on, stay down there. Get on there. Just want some moss in there to keep the texture going. I could have just added the color to that, but hey, just keeping it consistent, right? Yeah, I don't use this fast cure resin too much, actually. I've been saving it for special occasions, and then really you should check all of your resins for expirations, and usually you know, you want to use them within a year of being opened. And I'm at about 10 months with this. So I've never used this mold, so I don't know what to expect, but it sure looked freaking cute. Okay, looks like the moss is stopping a lot of it from going in. Come on, needs to go in this other arm. What is the cactus arm name? I'm sure it has a name. I don't know what it's called. But gosh. Okay, remember to stay sticky. I'm never gonna complain. It's so sticky. Everything is so sticky today. Come on, get in. Get in there. How far down does this one go? Come on, I feel like I'm wasting so much. The arm, okay, that arm's all the way down. Okay, is this arm goes all the way. So. Okay, that side I think is good. I guess I'm done with the moss because apparently I put it away. That is so weird. It feels like I have a giant bubble in the arms. Do I? Wait. So you squeezed it in a bunch. I just put down a new mat today too. Goodness. Goodness. I definitely feel like it needs to have more moss in there. And it just doesn't look right. Oy! It's so messy. Oh, resin, why do you have to be so messy? Maybe it's not even resin's fault. It's my own fault. Let's add a little bit more. Days today. Okay. I can't get it to work. Is this gonna work? Adding some. Okay, let's just see. That could go around one side. Maybe this can go around the other. Maybe. If it will let me. Aha. Haha. I think we're getting it, guys. Whether or not it's going into the arms, the armies, I don't know. Okay, that looks great to me. And then I just want to top it off. Top it off. Would be great if it was flat, but that's not gonna happen. Just trying to get it smooth because I know this is where it's going to stand up and it's not going to be fun if it's totally off kilter, you know. Take a little bit out. Okay. I've really got to clean those scissors great tonight. I'm gonna just top this off. And there we go. Sort of. It's a little full. Yikes. This is definitely a messy one, guys. I don't think it has to be. but I want it to be, so haha. We are staying sticky. Okay, I'm gonna wash this off, guys, and we will see you mañana. Hi, welcome back. So this has actually been sitting for about 3 days. I hope it comes out. So I definitely went a little overboard on the moss, but we knew that going into it. Gonna turn on the light here. It's actually gonna be a Christmas cactus. Haha. Let's see if this top will even fit. If I can even unmold it. Ooh, these hurt. Oh, that makes it very jagged. Look how cute that is. Oh my gosh. I might have to cut around here to get the lid to stay on. If it even does, we might have a failed project here. We'll see, because I left it too long, so you can't easily take these pieces off. But we'll see. We will see. The struggle is real. Oh, jeez. And here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Get it out. Come on. Wants to hold on to itself here. Come on, little guy. You can do it. Holy cow. Get the other arm out. It's like dressing a toddler or a small dog. Okay. God, oh jeez, how freaking adorable is that? How adorable is that? Okay, okay, lid definitely not fitting. Oh my gosh. Epic fail. Epic fail. Let's see. Can we fix it? Can we fix this? Let's see. I don't know. I might, you know what I might have to do is heat this up. Make it soft again. So that I can, if I just make it level, it'll fit. And then the little light will fit down in there. And then we will have a functioning cactus tree pot. Kind of sucks to only have lights on the top, but that's okay. It was an experiment. Almost looks like a pickle. Like if I, oh look, hey. It is a pickle. Isn't that cute? We got it. Sort of. Actually, I used the fast cure resin on this, and there are a heck ton of bubbles in there, but you can't really tell because it's green. And it does look a little furry in the places where I put the moss. I don't know if you can see it. Can you see the fur inside there? I don't know. I hate it when YouTubers, look, see, look how pretty it is. Look, oh, it's so awesome. No, hold it still, people. Hold it still so we can soak it all in. Okay, you know what? I could just put another light down in there. Ha ha. There we go. Well, thanks for watching. Remember to stay sticky, and you always have a home here.